Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College.
Hello students, in this part we are going to learn how to solve word problems related to subtraction from problem set 12. Okay, so let's begin to solve sum number 1. See the question 1. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? See, now we have to focus on the wordings. What is the amount he still needs? Means how much he is having less money with him so that he will be able to buy the laptop. It means we have to subtract. So let's write these numbers in the table. 27,450 rupees cost of laptop minus 22,975 rupees Prathamesh has. This many rupees Prathamesh has with him. Now let us start subtracting. 0 minus 5, is it possible? No, we need to borrow from tens place. Go to tens place. 5 minus 1 will remain here 4. On unit place this number becomes 10. Yes, 10 minus 5, it is very understood. It is 5. Now 4 minus 7, is it possible? No. Go to the hundreds place. Cancel these 4. What will remain? 3. This becomes 14. 14 minus 7. Yes, it is 7. 3 minus 9, is it possible? No. Go to the thousands place. Cancel 7. What will remain here? 6. On hundreds place, number becomes 13 because we have borrowed 10 over there. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 9. Whatever big number, now do not worry. Start counting numbers from the 10. Next number of 9. 10, 11, 12 and 13. So how many these are? 4 fingers. So write here 4. 6 minus 2. Yes, 4. 2 minus 2. 0. So he has 4,475 rupees less. So we'll write at the end, therefore Prathamesh still needs rupees 4,475 to buy a laptop. Okay, let's write this in a square box. Make a box so that you will highlight your answer. It is looking properly. Okay. Student, let's see sum number 2. What is given in the example 2? A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Now here what is the word given? How many more? From this clue we can understand, yes, we have to do the subtraction for this example. See, I have prepared a table over here. Let's fill the numbers. 44,730 produce scooters. In certain year. Minus produce scooters in next year. Alright. Now let us start subtracting. 0 minus 0, very simple, 0 itself. 3 minus 5, is it possible? No, children. Go to hundreds place. Cancel 7. Write here 6. Borrow that 10 this side. So this number becomes 13. Now 13 minus 5. After doing this many sums, you all must have understood to write the answer directly. Now let us stop counting on fingers or drawing the lines. 13 minus 5, yes, it is 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So our answer is 1580. That is why in the previous year company produced 1580 more scores. So let us write here in the square box this answer. Therefore, company produced 1580 more scooters in the previous year. Okay, so do you all understand this example? It is very simple. Practice more so that you will be very perfect in solving the word problem. Let's solve example number 3. Let's read the question. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? Children, I already told you, always read word problem each and every line very carefully so that we are getting certain clues what to do. As I already told you, when we are doing sums of subtraction, focus on the word. How many more? Who scored more? Or who is exceeding? It's like that. If such a words are there, it means we have to subtract. Now which number is big? The number of women is greater. So let's write here 16 lakhs 52,978. Here you can write number of women. As we are doing subtraction sum, write here minus sign. 16 lakh 37,856 number of men. Is it clear? Now let's start subtracting. 8 minus 6, very simple, 2 remains. 7 minus 5, 2 remains. 9 minus 8, 1 remains. Now can I subtract 7 from 12? No. Go to 10,000s place, cancel 5. 5 minus 1 will remain 4. Cancel these 2, it becomes 12. Right? Now count next number onwards of 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are there? 5. So here will be answer 5. Now 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 15,122. So at last we'll write number of women are exceeding by 15,122 than the men. Okay, so let's write that. Therefore 15,122 women are exceeding than men. Alright? Write it in a square box. Okay. So, I hope so you all must have understood this sum in detail. So then let's start solving example number 4. Let's read the question. An organization decided to collect 25 lakh rupees for a certain project. They collected 26 lakh 57,340 through donations and other kinds of aid. By how much did they exceed their target? See children, here which word we have got? Exceed. It means what we are supposed to do in this example? Yes, we have to do subtraction. So let's start solving. How much donation they have collected extra? Here 26 lakhs 57,340. Collection rupees collected donations. Donations. Okay, minus 25 lakhs is what? Decided amount. Decided amount to be collected. Okay, so let's start subtraction now. It's very simple, children. This sum is very easy. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. No efforts. Nothing to be subtracted. Yes? What is our final answer? 1,57,340. Okay, so this much amount they have collected extra. Therefore, organization collected rupees 1,57,340 extra. Write the answer in a square box. Do you all understand this example, children? Student, see, question number 5 is little bit different. Here, what we have to do? Numbers they have provided and we have to frame the question ourselves. See the question here, use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem and solve the problem. See, I have framed a question over here. Radha wants to buy a computer, cost 27,056 rupees. She has only 30,849 rupees. What is the amount she still needs to be able to buy that computer? Alright. So let's start solving this example. This is a table. Here let me write the number 27,056 minus 23,849. Okay children, here let us write 27,000 cost of computer. If you write COMP is also okay. And this much rupees Radha has. Okay, now let's start subtracting. 6 minus 9. Do not worry. We have to borrow from the tens place. Go to tens place, cancel 5, 5 minus 1 remain 4, cancel 6, it becomes 16. Now 16 minus 9, don't worry, start counting. Next number onwards 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. How much remains children? Yes, 7. Now 4 minus 4, 0. Now 0 minus 8, is it possible? No. We have to again borrow. Go to thousands place, cancel 7, what remains? 6. And this number becomes 10. Now 10 minus 8, very simple. 2, 6 minus 3, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. So how much money still she required to buy a computer? 3,207. So I will write over here at the end last, Radha still needs rupees 3,207 to buy a computer. Okay, make a square box for the final answer. Also, children, you all must have understood each and every word problem in detail. Practice more. Unless and until you practice word problems, you are unable to solve this. So, please do lot of practice to solve word problems.